So hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about a few work cultural differences between us Indians and the way people are working in US or UK. These differences are some real important ones and they have made me think back on my corporate journey, and it could help you grow better in your organization, make less mistakes and know what is right and what is wrong. So point number one is not talking about our work. So in a regular office environment, we are not self-confident or talk about our work or our achievements. Hence, we do not get involved in self-praise or tell others or our managers about the great work we did. But we do expect them to automatically notice our great work and praise us, which does not happen very often. And you're not supposed to blame yourself for this because we have been taught since our childhood that we are not supposed to talk much about ourselves or to self boast, which actually is not the right thing to do. Whereas if you see people in US and UK, they are very much confident about their work and they talk openly about their great work and their achievements. Talking about your work openly helps your managers and your teammates notice your actual contributions to the team and makes you an important part of the team as well. Point number two is working hours. Indians extend their working hours on daily basis either due to managers putting pressure on them or trying to become the manager's favorite. And this thing actually affects the whole team, and working post your working hours daily can actually affect your mental health as well. Whereas if you look at people in US and UK, they tend to maintain a strict work-life balance and they tend to make sure they only work between the work hours they are given, and they pursue their hobbies and other activities during non-work hours, which helps them to have a great social life and a great mental health as well. Point number three is negotiating your salary. During salary negotiations, as Indians, we feel worried about asking for more or asking for good paying packages because we do not value our work that much as we should. Due to which the recruiters have started offering a lot less salaries in India than the candidates actually deserve. In case of people working in US and UK, they ask very confidently about the amount they want for that particular job. And if someone disagrees with them, they actually go deep into their expenses and explain why do they need that kind of amount. All we need to do is value our work and confidently ask for the amount that can give us a comfortable life and enough savings for the future. Point number four is taking breaks. So taking breaks after a job in India is seen as a very huge thing. All kinds of people will have judgment about your decision, your managers, your family, your friends, and they will have a deep interest in what you're going to do ahead in life. So for people in US and UK and a lot other countries, it is okay for people to take a break after a few years of a job. And it is okay to take a break if you're mentally not feeling very well or you have some amount of money to keep you afloat a few months. Taking time off gives you the mental space to think through things and actually plan something good and exciting for your future. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe to my channel. And these points are very helpful for someone who is into Indian corporate industry and can really help you to grow and achieve a lot more. Do let me know in comments if you're able to connect with me on these points. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.